Dear students, today we are going to learn circumcircle and encircle. First of all, I like to know what is the circumcircle and what is the encircle. Circumcircle means a circle which is drawn outside the triangle and pass all the three vertices of the circle. This is circumcircle, and encircle in means inside. So the circle which is drawn inside the triangle and passes all the three sides of the triangle. So suppose that this is the triangle and we draw a circle which passes all the three vertices of the triangle. This circle is known as circumcircle, and similarly in encircle, the circle which touch all the three sides of the triangle, it is known as encircle. So the definition of circumcircle: the circle which passes all the three vertices of the triangle is known as circumcircle, and encircle, the circle which passes all the three sides of the triangle is called encircle. These are the definitions of circumcircle and encircle. Now, how to construct? We have to learn about the construction of the circumcircle and encircle. How to construct the circumcircle and how to construct the encircle. A triangle is given there, or the sides of the triangle will be given in your question. Using these given measurements, you have to draw or construct the circumcircle. Suppose that this is a triangle according to question's measurement. Now, in order to draw the circumcircle of this triangle, we have to find out two important points. First one, to draw the circle, there are two things required. First one, we have to find out the center or origin of the circle. Without origin, we can't draw circle. And second one is radius. Then origin and radius, two important things are required to construct the circle of any measure. So now this is a triangle A, B and C. We have to first of all find out the point, origin of the circle. So how can we find out the origin? So in order to find out the origin of the circle, we will draw two perpendicular bisector, means perpendicular bisector of any two sides. Suppose that this is side AB and BC. We draw two perpendicular bisector of BC and AC, or AB and BC. Now, in order to draw the perpendicular bisector, in previous video I already explained about the perpendicular bisector. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? Simply take the more than half, take an arc of more than half. Suppose that its length is 5 centimeters, so you will take an arc of more than 2.5 centimeters. Yes, more than half. Draw an arc upside and arc downside. Same to same, taking C as a center, draw an arc here, again draw an arc here. Both arc will intersect to each other. Join these two intersection points. Similarly, follow this process at the side AC. Take an arc of more than half. This is half, more than half. Draw an arc here, again draw an arc here. Similarly, follow here this draw. So this is both the bisector of AC and BC intersected to each other at the point O. This point O is the center. So now, point 1, first of all, take the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. I have drawn perpendicular bisector of BC and AC. Both the perpendicular bisector intersected to each other at the point O. This point O is the origin. Now, second point, we have to find out the radius. Which radius we have to take? So you can take the radius OA, OB or OC. Now, taking O as a center, OA, OB or OC as a radius, draw a circle which pass all the 3 points A, B and C. Taking O as a center, OC, OB or OA, taking a radius, draw a circle which passes all the three vertices This circle is known as the circumcircle. Listen again. In order to construct the circumcircle, 2 points we have required. First one is origin of the circle. Second one is triangle of the. Second one is radius of the circle. In order to find out the origin, draw two perpendicular bisector of any two lines. Means perpendicular bisector of two lines. Both perpendicular bisector intersect to each other at the point O. This is origin. Now taking OA or OB or OC as a radius, draw an arc or draw a circle which passes all the 3 points of the triangle. This circle is known as the circumcircle. Second one is incircle. How do we construct the incircle? So similarly, to construct the incircle, first of all draw the triangle of given measurement in the question. Suppose that this is ABC is the triangle given in the question. Now we have to construct the incircle. Incircle means inside this triangle. How to construct? So to construct the circumcircle, we have found origin and radius. Similarly, here also we have to find origin and radius. First of all, in order to find out the origin, we have to take two bisector of the angles. Any two bisect. First of all, bisect the angles. Angle B and C we will bisect. To bisect angle B and C, place the pointer here or here. Place the pointer here, draw an arc. Place the pointer here, draw an arc like this. Both arc intersect to each other. Draw with B. Similarly, taking this point as center, draw an arc like this. Taking this point as a center, draw an arc like this. Both arc intersect to each other. Draw and extend. This is the origin. Means both the bisector of angle B and C. This is bisector of angle. This is the bisector of side. Perpendicular bisector. This is the bisector of B and C. Both the bisector intersect to each other at the point O. This O is origin. Now origin we have found. Second thing, we have to find out the radius. So draw the perpendicular from O to side BC. This OP will be the radius. How we will draw the perpendicular OP? Simply this B, mark the arc of side BC, taking the arc of more than half. This is approx half and more than half. Draw an arc here. Similarly, place here and draw an arc here. These intersection point join with O. This will call the perpendicular bisector of BC, means P. Mark a point P here. Then this OP will be the radius of the circle. Now O, taking O as a center, OP as a radius, draw the circle which passes all the three sides of the circle. This circle will be incircle. Listen again. In order to construct the circumcircle, two things are required. First of all, find out the origin. Second one, find out the radius. To find out the origin, take any two perpendicular bisector. Both bisector intersect to each other at the point O. This is the origin. Second thing, taking OA or OB or OC is a radius. So center and radius, draw an arc or draw a circle which passes all the three vertices of the triangle. This is the circumcircle. In circle, first of all we have to find out the origin, then radius. To find the origin, take two bisector of angle B and C. Bisector of angle B and C. Both bisector intersect to each other at the point O. This point O is the origin. Now radius. So in order to find out the radius, take the perpendicular bisector of BC. B and C. Take the perpendicular bisector of BC. Draw two arc down sides. Both intersect to each other at the point. This point will meet to O. Draw the perpendicular bisector from O, and this length OP. This is the radius of the circle. So now, taking O as a center, OP as a radius, draw a circle which passes all the three sides of the triangle. This is called encircle. I hope you understood how to construct encircle and circumcircle. Practice these the construction of these circles 1 or 2 times. It will be clear. Thank you, students.